Question 11. 4 to the power 1 plus x plus 4 to the power 1 minus x equals to 10. So from beginning we can write like, we know if a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n. So here is also same thing, 4 to the power 1 times 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power 1 times 4 to the power minus x equals to 10. So for more easy thing, 4 times 4 to the power x plus 4 by 4 to the power minus x, as per negative exponent a to the power minus 1, we can write 1 by a. Same thing, it will be 4 to the power x equals to 10. Now let 4 to the power x equals to a. So this case we can write 4a plus 4 by a equals to 10. So we can make LCM. Here is a, so here will be 4a square plus 4 equals to 10. Now we are multiplying both sides by a, so it will be 4a square plus 4 equals to 10a, right? Then 4a square, we can write, we are subtract both sides by 10a, so minus 10a plus 4 equals to 0. So it's a prime factorization. We can do this algebraic expression like 4 times 4 equals to 16. 16 can be write 8 times 2. 8 times 2, it's a 16, and again 8 plus 2 is a 10. So we can write 4a square minus 8a minus 2a plus 4 equals to 0, right? Now we can take common 4a, so we will get a minus 2, and here is a minus 1, minus, not minus 1, actually minus 2. Minus 2, here is a minus 2 equals to 0. Now we can take common a minus 2, so here will be 4a minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Now we can write either a minus 2 equals to 0, so we can write a equals to 2. Against a we can write 4 to the power x, here is a 2. Then we can write 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 2x, 2 square means 4, and this one here is a 2 and power is a 1. So once base are same, 2 and 2, we can write 2x equals to 1. So finally x equals to 1 by 2 is our answer. Or here is a 4a minus 2 equals to 0. Now look, 4a, we are adding both sides by 2, so it's a 2a. Now we are divide both sides by 2, so here is a 2a and here is a 1, right? Now a means what? A means we already know 4 to the power x, right? 4 to the power x. So here is, we also can write like, actually in here we can divide by 4, right? We can divide by 4. So here is a 2 by 4. A means 4 to the power x, and here is a 1 by 2. So this one we can write 2 to the power 2x, and this one we can write 2 to the power minus 1. So base are same, so 2x equals to minus 1. So answer is x equals to minus 1 by 2. Very simple. So number 11 done. So 10 and 11 done. Next video we will start by 12. Next part.